All right, y'all. Last video for the day. One other little piece that I wanted to include here. Now that we feel pretty comfortable, hopefully finding the vertex and also finding the solutions of any parabola is the last thing that we can find, right? We can find our x-intercepts. We can find our vertex. And there's one other really easy thing to find that I'm going to throw in here, and that's the y-intercept. Okay, it's this number right here, and we can see on the graph it's at -5. Take a minute, look at this equation, x squared plus 4x minus 5. Where do we see our y-intercept in our graph? Hopefully you see that it's just this number at the end, okay? It's just our C value. That tells us where our parabola crosses the y-axis, okay? So in your boat books, I would like you guys to include a quick little note. On the left-hand column, I want you to write in y-intercept of a parabola, okay? Y-intercept of a parabola, okay? And the y-intercept of the parabola shows where the parabola crosses the y-axis, okay? And it's just the C value, right? And remember the C value, we've been using ABC for quadratic formula. So C value is just that number at the end, okay? So what I'm gonna ask you guys to do from here on the next round of Pick'em, you're basically gonna take any one of the equations that's listed there, and you're gonna find all the stuff for that equation, okay? And that means the solutions, okay? This problem, we can easily find the solutions using Xbox, and based on the graph, it looks like they would be at 1 and -5. Our vertex, which is down here at -2, -9. And then we can also find the y-intercept. That's the only thing we're adding, and hopefully it's not too much extra. But on this problem, it would be at -5, okay? So on the next slide in this presentation, there is another round of Pick'em. I'm going to ask you guys to pick one of those problems, find everything, okay? Solutions, vertex, y-intercept, and then the solutions, the answers to whatever you find for the problem that you picked are also in the slideshow. So make sure that you get the same answers that I'm getting, and then take a look at the homework. That's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.